Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking you through my skincare routine for when my skin is really stressed out and spotty and full of pores and all that lovely stuff. This definitely isn't my everyday skincare routine, that will be in a separate video at some point in the future, but this is for when my skin is like breaking out and just not going how I want it to. So yeah, I'm really excited to share these products with you because I think this collection works really well together, just to clear up my skin. So yeah, I'm going to get straight on and show you guys what I do to my skin. So I always start off every morning by just cleaning my face with the Garnier micellar water. This stuff, I just love it so much. And then I just use like some large cotton wool pads. This just gets any extra makeup off that was from last night. And yeah, it's just really nice and gentle on the skin, so always recommend this product. Then after that I will just wash my face with water and pat it dry with a towel, and then I'll move on to moisturiser, and this is the Aveda Tulasara Renew Morning Cream. This is just really nice and lightweight, and I feel like it just feels really healthy on the skin. Makeup also sits really nicely underneath this. I find with a lot of moisturisers that I can be doing my makeup and then it feels like it's still sliding all over my face, or it takes so long to just sink in. But this absorbs really nicely into the skin really quickly, which is great for the morning. So that is all I will do to my skin in the morning. And then for the evening I'll use the same duo to take any makeup off. And now we're getting on to the items that really help to get rid of pores and spots. So the first one I've been loving is the Bio Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. These are so good. For some reason my nose has just looked awful at the moment. It's had so many pores. Now it's looking a lot better, and it's been about a week, and I've used 2 of these strips, one in this video and one previously. And they've worked really well. I find that they work best if you come out of a hot shower and do it then while your pores are really open. So to use these you're meant to wet your nose first. I always wet it with hot water because it just works better, and then you just pull it out, place a strip on your nose, and then you wait 15 minutes until you pull it off. And then I like to pull it off quite slowly because it can be quite painful. And then afterwards it's got like all the little pores sticking up, and it's just really weird and gross, but I kind of love it. It often leaves like some of the residue from the stickiness, so just make sure to wash that off afterwards. Then while I'm waiting for that I will go in with the L'Oreal Smooth Sugars Cleansing Scrub and just go sort of in any other problemed areas around my face, and then just wipe that away. Then the next stage I don't do very often just because I feel like it's quite intense on the skin, and that is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Detox Mask, and I will only put this sort of like down the centre of my face and where I really need it. My skin always feels like squeaky clean after using this, so yeah, I love it. Then to really tackle the spots overnight, the first thing I'll do is put on the Origins Super Spot Remover, and I will leave this for about half an hour before I go to bed, and then I will go in with Sudocreme, however you want to say it, and I will just put this over the spots, like a big thick layer, and sleep in it. And then finally, to rehydrate my skin, now that it's nice and clean, I use the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask, and I have used this probably every single day since they sent it to me. It just makes your skin feel so nice and moisturised, and it's just great. And then finally I just wanted to mention this product really quickly because this is a new one I've got and I'm trying it out at the moment, but I've heard good things about this, and it's the Boots Tea Tree Witch Hazel Back Spray. So I use this on my chest and my back to try and prevent spots from coming there. So yeah, it smells really good and it feels really nice when you spray it on your skin, so if anyone's struggling with spots on the chest or the back, then give this a go. I don't really know if it's going to work yet, so I'm not saying it's a good product yet, but just saying, I'm trying it out. So that is it. That is my skincare routine for when my skin is all stressed out and horrible and spotty. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you found some useful products. Let me know in the comments below if there's any products that work really well for you. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!